You could even just do the, the root note would sound okay as well. But here's our 3 and our 7 of C. Now what happens here is when we go to the F chord and the 7 and the 3 changes around, this becomes our 7, so that note actually stays there, but the B, which was the 7th and now is going to be the 3 for the F, 1, 2, 3, goes to the A. So it goes down one whole tone, and that's it. So got our C, and now we're going to the F. The E stayed there, and the B dropped to the A. So you'll see that here. So if I can where did I put my whiteboard marker? Here it is. Okay, so we've got 1, 5, 1, 5, and then we've got, this is 3 and 7, and then this becomes 7, same note, but now it's we're a different chord, so it has a different relationship to the bass note. So that's 7, and our 3 is going to be A. So this is the only thing that's changed in the right hand. Okay, it's done that. Now, what happens next is the A stays. So when we go into the B flat, the A stays here. That's the 7th of the B flat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And but the 3rd of B flat is going to be D. So it's gone down one step now. Then the next one, the D stays there, but the A drops down. And it continues that pattern. So we've got this pattern happening the whole time. Here's our 3 and our 7, going to our 7 and our 3, going to our 3 and our 7, going to our, where am I up to? I'm up to the next chord. Hang on, like that one up here, I'll just play it. It's a lot easier than trying to show it here. Alright, so we've got our C major 7, F major 7, that's dropped down to there for our F major 7, our B flat, going to our E flat major 7, going to our A flat major 7, to our D flat. So it just keeps continuing that pattern the whole way through. Now I've just practiced on where I started. I just practiced 12 different chords using the axis of the 3rd and the 7th. Now I didn't practice all of those voicings, but I did practice some of that. Now I could practice the other way around, start here with the 3 and the 7. Sorry, the third axis of 3rd voicing going to the axis of a 7th. That's what I would do if I was you and you weren't familiar with this. I'd be going through the cycle of fourths on the major 7. Once you do that, have a go with the dominant 7ths, and then when you've done that, have a go with the minor 7ths, and then have a go at it with 2 5 1s, which I'll talk about in another video soon. So, dominant 7ths, this pattern doesn't happen exactly the same. What actually happens is both of the right hand, the left hand stays the same, still does that 1 5 thing, but the right hand actually moves down simultaneously. It moves at the same time. So we've got, there's our C7. What happens is both of these go down. You get this sound going on. Okay, so we've got our C7, F7. I won't keep playing it. Our minor. If you can do that, that would be a great way to practice those chords. Then you might want to throw them into whatever song that you're learning. Trying to think of the best way to do that. those voicings there, opposed to some other ones that my brain kind of just really wants to play. Okay, hopefully that's helpful for you. You might do that with All Things You Are, or whatever song you're working on, and you'll find it's really helpful with a song like All Things You Are, because the melody is 3 and 7 lots. 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7 lots of it is, right? So you can use that axis of the third as your voicing, because that's the, that's what the melody is. The third is at the top. D flat for the B flat chord there, B flat minor chord. Well, it should be B flat 7. We'll see how we can use those voicings as we go around the cycle. Alright, hope to see you again soon.